So if you disconnect your battery and you want to pop the bonnet, you can't pop the bonnet because you've disconnected the battery. So what you need to do is leave it open a little bit, like I haven't done. Now there is a way of connecting up there's a red thing down in the fuse board, and connect it up to the like a piece of metal in the car, so positive, negative, but your battery has to be connected for that. So if you've isolated your battery, you can't do that. So there is one more emergency boot release. Now the cable is located within the wheel arch here. So to do that, you need to first of all loosen off all your 5 wheel nuts. Okay, so you need your locking wheel nut thing. Now the locking wheel nut, there's a space for it in the front trunk boot. If you keep it in there, you're totally screwed. So you need to keep this in the glove box. Thank God I've done that, because otherwise there'd be no way of getting this boot open and starting the car. So here we go. So you need a 19-inch socket, which I've got here. Loosen them all off, and then you need to jet the car up and then remove the wheel to get to the liner. So when you're jacking your car, make sure you use the jacking point. That's the jacking point. Okay, if you jack it anywhere else, it'll just go through the bottom of the floor and make a hole in the car. Jacking point. So if the jack fails, it doesn't drop to the floor. Can use a breaker bar, but spinners are quicker. So just takes longer with the breaker bar. Oops, 19.
Are they different sizes?
No, they're all 19. Even the lock wheel nut. Okay. Record?
I am.
Okay. We'll put it somewhere sensible. Right, so to remove the lining, you need a T20 bit, one of those. And you just unscrew them here like this. That's one. Keep that safe, don't lose that. Another one. Another one up here. Okay. I can't see. two T-star screws at the front, at the bottom. They're 25, T25s instead of T20s. And underneath there's another T25.
It's stuck there. It's stuck there on that on the side.
It's unscrewed there. Oops, broke it. Right, shine the torch in. Is that it? So you need to find this bicycle wire, which is here, grip it tight, and then just keep pulling really hard and it will pop. And then the boot is now open. Oh. Now, the problem was you can't use the electronic boot release because this isolates the battery. So if we see, right, and that was my trickle charger, which is disconnected. Pull the wire out carefully so it doesn't on. Right, so the alarm was going off. So I disconnected the horn by pressing these two things down so I could hear myself think. Okay. And then, yeah, that's now on. And then I could then release the keys. And now the car opens and closes and manage to turn the alarm off. Now I put the horn back on. Okay, so now hopefully it's all working. Shall we see if we can start it? Your door should open now. Right.
You